Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, July 25th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have a very busy day with earnings, but we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by about 6.5 points, and we have lots of stocks to take a look at. So let's get right into the charts. First one we're going to look at today is going to be Google L, and you're going to see Google is getting hit very sharply today. Stock right now trading at $968 a share, closed at $998.31. So this is a good haircut for Google. I'm going to have Google levels ready for the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock in the morning. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You could trade right alongside of us. Google getting hit this morning, but I will have levels for a trade on GOOGL, and we're going to use the L shares today. All right, let's go over and take a look at another one here, Seagate Technologies. This stock is getting absolutely clobbered, closed at $39.79. It is now trading at $32.37. I will have levels ready for this one as well. Right at 9 o'clock in the morning, we'll have gap levels ready. In sympathy, you want to watch Western Digital. Ticker symbol there is WDC. A level right off the bat that I like for Western Digital today would be probably somewhere around the $87.85 area. If that stock got down there, I do like it. It almost got there in the pre-market. Didn't quite get there, but if it does get down there, I do think that's a pretty good level. Keep it on the radar. 87.85, 87.86, right around that area. Pierce of $88 should do the trick. Next up, we're going to take a look at McDonald's. MCD is their ticker symbol here. Stock is flying high this morning, so closed at $151.81. It is now trading at $155.75. This is a very good pop for McDonald's this morning. All-day breakfast is doing the trick. Good move, but the one thing I will say, McDonald's is very overbought up here at these levels. I know it's pulled back over the past week or so, but just remember, on a bigger time scale, looking at more like a monthly chart or so, you've had a pretty parabolic move, so I don't think McDonald's has much upside from here, but nonetheless, it is still a very good pop ahead of the opening bell today. Next up, let's take a look at Domino's Pizza, DPZ, sticking with the fast food. That stock today is trading at $208, closed at $213.97. So this is a pretty good haircut. I am seeing some support around the $202 and more around $197. So keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at 3M. MMM is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $205, closed at $210. So this is a pretty good little drop there for 3M. Right off the bat, I see $204 as a pretty good little support level, but that's been tested now. So we're going to have to be careful here with this one. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see what kind of chart pattern is made. Next up, let's take a look at Caterpillar. Caterpillar right now trading at $113.01. That is up from the 108 close. So good move on Caterpillar today. Again, making new highs on the year. A lot of resistance, though, is in play for CAT. And I'm talking about, if you take a look at a monthly chart here, you're going to see you got this double top there, double top there. You know, these tops here are in play. So Caterpillar definitely is strong today. But again, a lot of resistance in play at the moment for CAT. Let's take a look at Biogen. BIIB is the ticker there. Stock is trading at $297.54, closed at $284.70. This is a good move for Biogen today. Again, moving up into that 300 level. I got to think there's probably very good resistance around 306. 307 should it get there. Therefore, if you own Biogen, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, wait on pattern. You don't want to chase it up here at these highs. Next up, we're going to take a look at JetBlue. JBLU is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now was flying high. Now it's flying low, coming back down to earth, trading at $22.87. This is basically where the stock closed, so we'll take a look at it once the opening bell rings. But I do have a level right off the bat that really intrigues me. It's at $19.31. I don't know if we'll get down there, but keep it on the radar today. If it does, $19.31 for JetBlue will be a play. So keep that on the radar today. Write it down. Next up, we're taking a look at General Motors. And what you're going to see here is GM reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at $35.70. Closed at $35.82. Had a brief pop, came back down, basically at the flat line now. Let's take a look at UTX, which is United Technologies. Stock right now is trading at $122. Closed at $123.13. I still think there's a fair amount of support here at $121 today. If it gets there, if it does break that, I will find more levels for us in the intraday stock chat room. Next up, we have FCX, which is Freeport-McMoRan. Stock right now is trading at $13.18, up from $12.96. Popular name, copper, gold. The stock right now doesn't appear to be telling me a whole lot here. I do think it's probably hitting good resistance on the daily chart. When I look at the daily chart, you have lots of levels here. So, again, I would not expect too much more out of Freeport Mac this morning. Next up, we're going to take a look at Pulte Home. PHM is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $24.20. Closed at $24.42. So, again, this is down a little bit. Let's see how it reacts when it gets to around $23.50. There is some support there, $23.50 today for Pulte Home. Not sure how long that level will hold up, but we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings today in the intraday stock chat room. Now, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Another solid day yesterday, another profit, and again, we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the month and ultimately into the end of the year. But we have lots of stocks moving around. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading down today by $1.90 to $1,252.30 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading right at 119.08, down from 119.31. Next up, we have crude oil catching a bid. Crude oil is up 73 cents today to $47, and it looks like $47.09 a barrel. So crude oil upticking a little bit today, caught a bid yesterday. If you take a look at the USO, you'll see that's trading at $9.65, up from the $9.50 close yesterday. So again, gold is down a little bit, oil is up a bit, and we have stocks galore out here today. So get ready. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We are just starting earnings season. There's about a month to go in earnings, and we got a lot of big names this week, including, I believe, Google today, and then you're going to have Amazon, Facebook, and Apple still yet to come. So again, lots of earnings on the horizon here. So get ready. It's going to be a wild one, wild week. Don't forget, tomorrow we also have the Fed. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session. We'll see you on the charts.